Stop. Don't delete your photos. Your iPhone is full because of one hidden setting most people never turn off. Is your iPhone constantly telling you that storage is full? Most people start deleting their favorite photos or videos to fix it, but you don't have to do that. I'm going to show you 3 hidden places where your phone hides giant files you don't even need. Step 1. Clear Safari data. First, let's look at the biggest culprit. Go to Settings, then General, and tap iPhone Storage. Wait for it to load. See that grey bar at the bottom called System Data? That is often just digital trash. To clear it without deleting photos, scroll down and find your Safari app. Tap it, then tap Website Data and hit Remove All Website Data. This can often save you 1 to 2 gigabytes instantly. If this is already helping you, hit subscribe. I share simple iPhone tips like this all the time. Step 2. Offload unused apps. Look for the Offload Unused Apps setting right here in the Storage menu. If you enable this, your iPhone will remove the weight of apps you haven't opened in months, but it keeps all your data safe. If you ever need the app again, just tap it, and it re-downloads exactly where you left off. It's like magic for your storage. Step 3. Now this last one is the one most people completely ignore, but it can save you the most space. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then go to iCloud, and tap Photos. Now turn on iCloud Photos, and this is the important part, select Optimize iPhone Storage. What this does is your iPhone keeps smaller versions of your photos on your device, while the full quality ones are safely stored in the cloud. So instead of your phone being filled with heavy videos and pictures, it automatically frees up space without deleting anything. If you have a lot of photos or videos, this can save you gigabytes instantly. This is why some people free up 10 gigabytes or more without deleting a single photo. You don't need a new phone, you just need to clean the one you have. If this helped you save even a little bit of space, consider subscribing so you don't miss my next iPhone tip. See you in the next one.